Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix clock app in Navbar and Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to fix your clock apps in your Navbar, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply keep a long press on it and go to this eye icon, or you can also go to your settings. Just scroll down and look for apps here. Click on apps, then look for clock app here. Click on it, and here go to notifications. You have to make sure that you have enabled this allow notification. You have also enabled all these features from here like lock screen notifications and this show or hide content and out. So you have to select show always from here. Now you have to also enable this live notification option. And once you have enabled, your clock will now work in Navbar and you have successfully fixed your clock in Navbar settings. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.